After months of speculation and leaks, Samsung is poised to unveil the Galaxy A55 officially. Numerous indications suggest that the launch of this new mid-range phone is imminent, and now, images of what appear to be retail units in different colors provide us with a glimpse of the device. The Galaxy A55 bears a striking resemblance to the Galaxy A54, which comes as no surprise, considering Samsung's current approach favoring continuity in design. Nevertheless, the A55 will feature a significant design enhancement, a metal frame replacing the plastic one, contributing to an improved in-hand feel in conjunction with the glass back. The A55 adopts Samsung's latest key island design language, first introduced with the Galaxy A15 and Galaxy A25 in late last year, elevating the frame around the volume and power buttons. The images showcase the black, blue, and white variants of the phone, with the possibility of at least one additional color option upon release. Beneath the surface lies the exciting part. The Galaxy A55 is set to run on the Exynos 1480 chipset, potentially marking a significant leap in power for mid-range Samsung smartphones, especially in gaming, courtesy of a GPU built on AMD's RDNA 2 graphics architecture. In terms of photography and videography, the Galaxy A55 will sport a 50-megapixel primary camera on the rear, accompanied by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5-megapixel macro camera, and a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. Powering the device will be a 5,000 mAh battery supporting 25-watt charging. Regarding software, the A55 is expected to debut with Android 14 alongside One UI 6.1 pre-installed. However, it remains uncertain whether the device will incorporate some of the artificial intelligence features from the Galaxy S24 or promise up to 7 years of OS upgrades. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.